Hold on, time out. Is this for real right now? Is this camera on? All right. YouTube, welcome back to another video. You should know my name by now, and if you don't, it's Kiwi with the Z. So make sure you tap in with all my social medias so you don't forget. Other than that, let's talk about what we're going to be doing in today's video. So I will be attempting to drink a full bottle of Sprite without burping, all right? That is my objective for today's video. I do not have the Sprite right now, but I do have this. This is my Cash App card, y'all. This is my Cash App card. Let it focus. All right, I'm gonna be using this to go purchase this drink or whatever. Man, yeah, let's get into the video. Nigga, why you still talking? All right, y'all, I made it to the Family Dollar. It's about 100 degrees outside, and I'm about to make this video for y'all. Still, I really don't want to go in this motherfucker, but I am. First, I want to give y'all a drip check though, all right? So I got the plain white tee on, motherfucking black shorts, and then these my shoes, y'all. This nigga shoes catching wind. Literally. Not too much. These are work shoes, all right? These are work shoes. So I'm gonna go in here, get y'all this drink so I can get up out this motherfucker and stop being a distraction. How you doing, man? Excuse me. Man, I really don't like this Walmart. I mean, this Family Dollar. I said Walmart. I really don't like this Family Dollar because they ain't never got nothing. But damn, these niggas got it all this time. So I'm gonna get them off of this Sprite because that's the only way we gonna do this video. I'm gonna go cash this motherfucker out. Long ass line, so let me get back to y'all. You got it, bro. I wonder how much this drink is, because I applied a 10% coupon on my Cash App. Nah, we gonna find out. All right, I'm almost up, y'all. God damn.
Well, it's 18 cents off, so I'm guessing this is the chips. Alright, you have one for that.
Oh. How you doing, ma'am?
I'm doing fine. Is this all for you today?
Yes, ma'am. You can tell me how much this Sprite is?
It's $2.35. You know you can get a 2 liter for that price, right?
I get a 2 liter. Nah, I'd rather just take that. I ain't gonna lie.
Sure?
Yeah. Because I'm gonna have to chug that down. You know that?
Yeah, well, can't you like hold that big bottle?
Nah, I can't hold that.
You can't do that?
Nah, that's not for me.
Alright.
Man.
Alright, with tax, you're looking at $2.55.
$2.55? Good thing I applied that 10%. Yeah, I was on that.
I'm telling you, 2 liters is the same.
$2.35 for a 2 liter. But how am I gonna chug it?
Really easy. It's a TikTok thing.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
I can't chug no 2 liter though. I ordered to chug a 2 liter.
Just make sure you don't like eat any of those Mentos when you're doing that. Hey, you canceled it. What'd you do that for? Let's give her another shot.
Fuck.
Hey,
My
card
bad.
out. 1, 2, 3. Put the card in.
What bad, Mr. Mom?
Are you trying to give them your PIN number and everything? You know that's like going to rip you off. So many hackers and stuff. You shouldn't be doing that.
You're right, man. She keeps me on it. Y'all niggas some fucking scammers, bro. If y'all start looking at my credit card information.
You need to be careful with that kind of information.
All right, please don't look
Be
card.
sure to lock your card too.
Hey,
I'll get you here, sir.
All right, here you go, sugar. You have a great day.
you too, Miss No. All right, secure that motherfucker. All right, boss man. Ooh. All right, I got the drink. Now it's just time for me to drink it, I guess. I'll meet y'all guys at the house. All right, so I told you guys I was gonna meet y'all in the house or at the house. I did make it to the house, but I just thought it'd get a little bit messy, so I decided to do it outside, right? Got the Sprite. I still got my, oh, I dropped it. I still got my sucker. All right, I got my cash card. Now let's see what this drink talking about. Don't mind the dog barking. Please just stay with me. We're about to tug it. Whew, shit, bro. Wish me luck, all right? Hold on. Y'all wait 1 second. I decided to put my hair in a bun. So I'm going to put my hair in a bun. Whew. Oh, my gosh. I'm so sorry. I always go on long breaks from y'all, man. Every single time I'll start posting and then I'll do so good at being consistent for like some weeks, and then I'll just stop posting for 3 months. I do it every time. But this time, all right? This time. Got my hair in a bun. Whew. Y'all pray for me. Oh shit. Okay, I'm kind of nervous. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna try to just tug it all down without burping, okay? 3, 2, 1. Wait. I'm sorry. Wait. Could you drop a like? Could you drop a like, please? And thank you. I really appreciate that. All right, okay, now really this time. 3, 2, 1. Fuck no. Yep, we're done. Hell no. Oh my fucking gosh. Oh. Why the fuck did I do this shit? Oh my fucking god. Worst fucking video ever. So I'm done with this. Before I end the video off, I seen a banana and a Sprite challenge, all right? I will only do that video if y'all guys get this video to 100 likes. Thank you for watching, and I'm out.